Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been about 9 or 10 months ago when I put the first video out of this gate that I was building. It's a cantilever gate, and we got it installed about 5 months ago, and I never really had a chance to take a video, so I figured today I'd shoot y'all one on the final product. I kind of missed the setup a little bit, but it seems to work very fine, and I'll go over some of the points of it. Again, this is a cantilever gate. It's free floating. It has no tracks across the bottom of the driveway, or the top of the driveway on the bottom of the gate. And it actually has just 4 wheels. Those big old black things you see there, that's going to be supporting the gate when you open it. I do not remember the actual rating of the rollers, but I do know that they're super heavy duty, and if any of you are interested, I'll be able to get you that information and send it to you. Just drop me a message down in the comments below. We actually used all steel construction, 4 rollers. Yes, we're dog lovers. Now we just got this kind of a primer gray right now, and been using it, like I said, 6 months, but we're going to go ahead and paint it a real nice color and kind of put the dogs a different color. Come over to the end. I believe it's 4x4 square tubing. Put a little plate on top to keep the water from going down in them. I'm going to have to paint this here pretty soon. It's winter. Once it gets a little drier, a little warmer, I'll throw some paint on it to make it last a little longer. But to open it, all I do is I just let it push it open like that and let it go. I'll be putting me a gate opener on it. I just ordered one of those today. I did kind of miss the counterbalance just a little bit on the other end down there. It gets a little hard when you get it all the way about 2 foot from where it's fully open. But otherwise it works very, very well. Let me try to get you some measurements on the gate. You know, there's going to be a few people ask those questions below. Like I said, guys, if I can help you in any form or fashion, drop me a few lines in the comment section below. Hit the like, subscribe button. We only found a few gates like this out there on YouTube, and didn't really get no measurements, and that's what really hurt us the most, was trying to guess at where we needed to be overall, and how to space those rollers out evenly enough to support the gate when it was fully closed or fully open. Let me get you some measurements. The actual gate, where you see the weld from here to the right all the way to the end, is 18 foot. Now, Ebony, get over here. Come here. My dog, get over here, Ebony. Come here. Oh, my partner in crime. Come here, baby girl. Come on. Ebony, get over here. Back before we got interrupted there, when I was taking care of one of my kids there, I got 5 of them shelter dogs, and they are my family. The gate from there to the right was 18. The balance of it on this end is 9 feet long. Now, like I said, I believe it was let me get a measuring tape out here. 2x2 square tubing. And then over here on the solid bar, we used 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. We used thicker wall on the outer, the top row and the bottom row. We used a little thicker gauge, and we used thinner gauge in the center, of course. And yes, guys, it does work pretty well. Like I said, if you got any questions, drop them below in the comments, and I will see what I can do to help you out. I'll respond as fast as I can. Let's push her back closed here from this end. It rolls pretty freely. There's a little trash down there by the wheels. I ended up putting those wheels a little lower down than they should be, but I didn't want to leave a gap there for my dogs to be able to get underneath the gate. So I just got about every 2 months I go out here and I clean out the leaves around them. Of course, it's winter here, and it's about 40 degrees, so we're going to have them leaves. And of course, my partner in crime back there, she's digging for moles, I guess. She got a nose. She should have been a border patrol dog. But yeah, I just pulled it shut. Made me a little slot in this end where I can put a lock through it so nobody can get in there to break in, rob us, or let my dogs out. But we'll open it one more time to show you how freely it opens. Good investment, guys, if you want a cantilever gate that doesn't have any tracks to run over in the driveway. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for some more that we'll be putting out in the next couple of weeks. Oh, a little addition to the video. I didn't show you the mounting brackets on the back of those support rollers. Well, this is the back side of it. And of course we call it Arrowhead Cove because there's a creek right down the road here that has a lot of arrowheads in it, and people are always out there digging through the dirt and sand and trying to find them.